Okay, so behind me we have a 2018 Volvo V90 that we're gonna actually walk the repair process through with you. So you're gonna be able to see in the video that you're about to watch the different stages that your vehicle will go through when dropped off at Best Body Shop and repaired here at Best Body Shop. So stage one is very simple. We're gonna do a check-in. A check-in consists of pre-washing the vehicle, putting a seat cover and a floor cover over, and adding all the information that we need from your vehicle into our estimating software, your paint code, your VIN number, your model, the year. All of this is being uploaded into our computer so that when we move into the next stage, which is triage, we have that information to start writing a repair plan. So now the Volvo is moved into stage two of the repair process here at Best Body Shop. Stage two we call triage. Just like going to a doctor, we have to diagnose what exactly is wrong with the vehicle, and then off of that create a repair plan so we know what to do to bring your car back to pre-loss condition. Now, every single manufacturer has guidelines on how to repair each individual panel to the vehicle. Those are detailed instructions, and so while it's in triage, we're looking up all those procedures. We're also measuring the frame. We're also doing what's called a pre-scan, which is hooking a computer up to your computer and checking all the modules throughout your entire vehicle to make sure that there isn't a crash sensor that needs to be replaced or an airbag that was faulty and needed to be replaced. So the whole point of a triage is for us to create the most comprehensive and accurate repair plan for you so we can communicate that to you and to your insurance for you. What's something that's different about Best Body Shop is we actually communicate all that information to you directly. So you'll see the pre-scan, you'll see the frame measurements, you'll see the repair plan. Everything will be communicated to you and to your insurance company. And so after this, we'll be moving on to production and actually starting the metalwork and bodywork involved on this vehicle. We'll see you at stage three. So we're here at stage three of the repair process. This is considered in production. Our Volvo here is in stall 4. So we're gonna do all of our metal work, our body work, our prime work right here in the production stall. When your vehicle goes to the production stall, we also have a stall for any of the structural damages that need to be repaired. This stall number 7, which is double the size of our normal production stalls, this is where we're gonna make any corrections to any structural part of your vehicle or frame utilizing our multi-bench and the tools that you see behind me. So the next step after this, we'll be moving to refinish. We'll be putting it right into the booth and getting it painted. Okay, so we're at stage 4, which is refinish. So all the metalwork, bodywork, prime work has been done on this Volvo. And as you can see behind me, Mike is in finishing the masking and refinishing of it. We've already got the color mix up off the paint code. We utilize a camera to make sure that we pick the right variant. And after this, we go to assembly. Okay, so we're here at stage 5 with our 2018 Volvo. Stage 5 is assembly, and assembly essentially is after all of the metalwork, bodywork, prime work, refinishing, all the mechanical work, all the framework is done, and now we are actually on the way to getting the car ready for delivery. In the assembly position, we are assembling the vehicle, installing glass. We're doing post scans. If you guys remember the pre-scan, checking all the modules in the vehicle and the computer system. Now on the post scan, we're making sure that everything was assembled correctly, that the entire computer system is communicating to itself correctly, and that there's no leftover DTCs. And if there are, that they're being cleared out and all calibrations are being performed before moving on to detail. So we'll see you in detail. Okay, so here we're at the last stage of the repair process on your vehicle. This 2018 Volvo V90 is being detailed. So we have had all the repairs finished, the refinish done, the wet sand polish, it's been test driven, all the calibrations have been performed. Now we want to make sure that it's nice and clean for you when you pick it up. Okay, so there we go. We are finished. The vehicle is delivered.
Thank you.
Big Big shout out to Sean over at Accident Recovery Team for allowing us to use this beautiful Volvo as an example of what the repair process that we take in repairing your vehicle. At Best Body Shop, we are always crazy about three things. We're crazy about you, we're crazy about your car, and we're crazy about our team. You can call us for all your collision repair needs 24/7 at 316-516-3827.